joining a league of students from across the watershed who've been out in their local streams participating in some extreme science. This video is going to help you follow the same instructions as the rest of the teams so that we all collect the same information the same way, making our data usable and comparable. This may also prevent you from getting soaked. Two members of your team will be going into the stream to collect the benthic macroinvertebrates. Start your collection right at the edge of the stream. Using a kick and sweep motion, one partner stands upstream, stirring up the stream bed while the other partner follows, keeping the net close to their partner's feet and at the bottom of the stream. Here's what not to do. Don't move too quickly, and don't kick up water and mud onto your partner. These boys aren't catching any invertebrates and risk falling in. When your time is up, be careful when lifting your net out of the water. You don't want to lose any bugs. When the two collectors have come out of the water, they should take off their hip waders and lay them out to dry or pass them to the next group who needs them. The next step is to empty the contents of the net into a sieve. Depending on your stream, you may have collected some mud in your net, but this is also where your invertebrates are hiding, so be careful not to lose any. Clean off your net and take a close look for any remaining bugs before passing the net to the next group. Once you've rinsed the sieve to get out any extra mud or plants, place the sieve upside down in a tray and use a clean stream water to rinse it out. Now that you have your sample, use a turkey baster or spoon to transport all of your invertebrates into a compartment in the ice cube tray or muffin tin. The same invertebrates can go into the same space. Try to identify and count all of the invertebrates in your sample. This is how we will get accurate results. Be careful not to turn your turkey baster upside down, as the invertebrates will get caught in the rubber base of it. Stirring up the water will make it murky. Try to keep the water still. It's easier to see the invertebrates moving. After your leader has double-checked your invertebrate tally, you can put all of the water and invertebrates back into the stream. Treat the sample with respect. Don't just throw it in. Make sure all of your equipment is collected and put into its bucket. When your team has done its invertebrate sample, or before you get started, it's time to fill out the rest of your field sheet. Make sure you get your information on the riparian vegetation and surrounding land use. Once all the teams are done their invertebrate samples, we'll collect water quality data. This super expensive YSI probe collects the water temperature, pH, the conductivity, and other data. To get the water's turbidity levels, fill the turbidity tube with water. Make sure it's flowing water and not water from the bottom of the stream. One partner will release the water from the bottom while the other looks into the top of the tube. Once the black and white Secchi disc is visible, record the height of the water. Now you're ready to get outside for some extreme science. Have fun, stay dry, and thanks for helping collect water quality data in our citizen science project.